Last video someone was complaining about the no sound. You have sound now. Happy? So, on day 102 my indoor farm is doing well. Oh, look, diamonds. Day 113 my crops are ready. Day 121 these zombies aren't attacking me for some reason. Day 135 oh no. Day 157 I shamelessly killed a bear. Day 170 I went back to my old house because I remembered I left emeralds there, only to discover that it was being inhabited by a sheep. Day 183 I discovered people stuck when I was going to start mining. Day 199 I'm almost there. Day 200 I'm done. If you want more of this, tell me in the comments.